Hi everyone, this is what's happening this week on DFC's Friction Fridays. This week we're featuring our complete line of brake components for the 2021 through 2025 Audi A6 Quattro. Combining dynamic performance with all-wheel drive confidence, the A6 Quattro delivers precise control in every condition. And DFC ensures that same precision when it's time to stop. Our DFC 5000 series brake pads and rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing smooth pedal feel, fade resistance, and the quiet braking performance Audi drivers expect. Each GeoSpec coated rotor offers long-lasting corrosion protection, while OE-specific hardware ensures a perfect fit and finish for every install. For added efficiency, these components are also available in a complete all-in-one brake kit, streamlining inventory for distributors and saving valuable time in the shop. DFC is proud to be among the first aftermarket manufacturers to offer a full braking solution for the 2021 to 2025 Audi A6 Quattro. Pads, rotors, and hardware, all designed for fit, performance, and refined reliability. At DFC, we stay ahead of the market by investing in innovation, expanding our catalog quickly, and supporting our partners with industry-leading service and fill rates. If you missed this week's Friction Fridays email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Fridays to see what we're launching next.